Hallelujah. Lalpa sa pakilang rose. Kausyan haute. Hezan lina. Patihan min shuay tlenga. Aro pui soy turhi kay mahianin til tamtak aoma. Amay rozu speaker kanila ba. Lau soy tiyam na hun. Anila ba amay rozu toy tetein. Nga testimony don tharte. Zay mayin kasoy china. Milaw siya tiya mga Voy na kalasak turhi, zani na kalasak turhi, mizaw la ania, amay rozu lai in Hlawndo na leta, tumi a live version na tu karon sa dona. Hela kasakma karil ron lang tu, katlay ron lahian lar hi katsakani. I really wanted to be famous. Okay, that was like my aim in life, the goal in life. So anin mitam takin min siya se let loads of people love me and enjoy my, singing, my dancing, my acting. But then eventually I learned that being known by a lot of people and being known by even my close friends is not necessarily the most fruitful or the most, people, human beings disappoint us so much. Voy natin po yan, milar, tetsu, mizora mate tsuan kalaw ni te. Amar tsu voy na ka fancy naktu ka tsuan min hotu po nile te. I can make one mistake and they can hate me tomorrow. The fans that I so call today. And then I realized more and more as I let go of my dreams, as of my passions, that it is enough to be known by the Lord. Hallelujah. Psalm 139 says, He created my inmost being. He knew me from my mother's womb. Lalpa mishiat kan hi kata na to, okay? He never disappoints. He always loves. Hallelujah. Tubang tuanin eng ang pon eng ang mi pon ni Maila patian min mangay ang mangay na dang vengay lo ani siat kan hi tuan kata na to, okay? Amaro puina na nunhian amata na kan nun kan lanhian amaro puya lan huna kay ni po ro puin kan lo lang vezok chinani. When we allow our lives to praise and glorify Him, He also in turn makes us, I guess, acceptable in men's sight as well. So the song I'm going to sing today, Hilay mitin mutiam lo man na se lo kasay dikem. Bawipa Hngalh kasihi katsa azay etika lalparo puinan kan sange.
Minungit duraga
thim deu na cha khen chi nun ngei chu ni fa na o thei nang he len chi ka tharau cha chu asung loi bi ke hallelujah ke zong hi dir puna hi dir ko man ning lo ka ai o dir jisu ni a ka shuai lai hi le me tin mu thia lo man na se